Through paths that cross and bend, I don't contend a flowing stream. I hold the weight of what they share. Their voices ripple through the air, through the air, through the air. Not to choose, but to embrace every shade, each hidden face. Opinions dance, weave, sway like currents, finding their own way. Maybe it's my way, even your way. Flow like water, soft but strong, connecting hearts where they belong. Through the currents and the tides, I see the world from every side, every side, every side. I'm not the fire nor the stone anymore. I'm the quiet river, but never alone. I carve my path, yet never claim to own the truth or stake my name, a witness keen, a mirror light, reflecting both the dark and bright. Understanding grows from the stream, not from the fight, but from the dream. Your dreams are also my dreams. I don't resist, I let it flow through open minds, through what they show. In every wave a story leaves, and water gives and water takes. This water gives but also takes.